I feel when I'm around you, shorty. Last night we didn't stay, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess I should've stayed? You say the word, I'm on the way. This shit feels like teenage fever.
Good morning, Gunner Gang. We back again with another video. I hope y'all having a great morning on this Sunday morning. For me, it's sunny, it's nice out, and today we got a little special video for y'all. I can't say too much. Right now it's currently 10:15 on, I know, and we are on our way. If you can't see yet, I got some sweats behind me. If you can't see, for me, my boy F86 DD over here, for me, you see the sweat. And then we got 330 ICAS, and then we got Pablo X, which is, you feel me, my 540 right here. And today is the Beamer versus something, I forgot the full name of it, but that's where we're about to head to. So take y'all along, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, feel me, and let's get it. Alright, Gunner Gang, so right now we are currently 37 minutes away, but we're about to get food. It's the driver right here, I know y'all haven't seen him in a minute. And then it's the passenger, this is Cassie. You already seen this guy. He's already fucking up his little snack.
Yo, what's up?
But we're about to go over to Yard House and take y'all along. But we're almost there, so make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Yo, y'all cannot believe it, but we are here, and there's a lot of sweat. Jay, when you see this, bro, he said he won next lane, and he's on Valvetronic too. Oh my god. Valvetronic tips. Nah, chill. We can't even do that, bro. There's only one X3M that really put in pain over it, bro. Anyways, he gonna be back outside too, y'all. So make sure y'all be ready for that video to drop, feel me? But we about to Q50. Oh my god, my son put it on for the Q50 too, though. That's crazy. But listen, y'all, we about to walk in. Get back to y'all real soon.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside.
Y'all to see this lineup. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is a crazy lineup. Oh shit. Y'all see this? Look at that turbo! Oh my god! Yo, I know y'all gonna see this video from like a year from now, bro, and we're gonna be in this exact same position, bro, and we're gonna be racing the car, bro. Like I'm telling y'all, bro. Look at this. Look at that beadlock, bro. Oh my god. Jeez, y'all. This is crazy, man. We all walked in, got our wristbands, now we together, F86 DD behind me, feel me? And we just like taking all this in right now. Sheesh. What now?
Probably about 38.
38? What, built trans, built motor? Yeah. What stage are you on your trans?
Nah, we about to see though,
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro, this Q50 look like it hooks, bro.
What he running?
Oh my god.
130 at 10.
It's gonna be you. No, he ran a 10.4. So he's 10-second car. He ran 13. Damn.
He ran 13, bro.
The Beam just ran 13. Turn the camera back on. What you say?
Yeah, it's got better sauce.
We gonna see, bro. One day I'm gonna put up a video of us two getting a run in.
Better sauce all day.
Straight
Shout
motion.
out Jake. Shout out Jake. AMS, man.
Straight motion. Where you at, bro? This gotta be you, bro.
He transferred to AMS.
My son Jake is at AMS.
Jay, we gonna need you out here, bro. You gotta bring the X3M out so we can see how much time you doing, bro. Word on the street is you could do low 9s. Let's see if you can do that though.
Y'all see them tires, bro? Hell yeah. He's about to move. He's about to move.
Let's see. Who y'all think gonna win, bro? The G80 or the Civic? Don't sleep on the Civic, bro. Y'all see the
seconds.
Word, gotta be an 8-second car, y'all. Gotta be an 8-second car. Oh my God! That shit hooked. That shit hooked. What do y'all think it was at? Yo, Rock. Good, bro. Chillin', bro. Junkie in the spot, man. Y'all already know the vibes. Feel me? I thought you left.
Huh?
I thought you left.
Nah, I've been here, nigga. I was watching this car spin all day, bro.
Bro, that's crazy.
Yo, next one, Motion is in this.
Motion gotta come here and show these
He
niggas.
that text niggas say you killing shit to that send.
Bro, Jay, you gotta hit the track and show them what a real X3M on I had, bro. Real shit, bro. Gotta show them. Nah, heavy, bro. But he gonna be back. Let's see what happens. Let me know who y'all think will win this one. Oh my God. Zoom, yeah. Oh, that's a single turbo right there. Yeah, but he said he can't shift past 7,000. Let's see what happens. Let me know who y'all think will win this one. Oh my God. Estamos bien acá afuera ahora.
Se me va a descargar esta vaina, voy a ver.
Vehicles before, a vet. You got the best job in the world, right? Walk down Central, y'all, this 3 right here is so tough. Fiber side skirt. Nice frames, carbon fiber lid. The accents on the inside of the engine bay, pure turbo. Let me not even say pure turbo. Single turbo, cooling system, port injection, oil catch can. This is just so tough right here. Look at this. I think they call this forged carbonite over here. Don't get me wrong. I'm not too sure, but this is all too tough. anytime SRT let him come out here, man. You need to see that.
That's not sober.
That's not sober, that's riding.
That's the real
Sober's not riding.
I ain't gonna lie, I think that shit about to lift up. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Bro, these shits is fast as hell, bro.
That nigga,
Yeah, he definitely is.
Shit, an 8.5 second club.
8 second go.
8 second club.
That nigga really Chicago. That nigga straight to Chicago with that shit.
Y'all trying to see something funny? Weight reduction to the max. Jay, if you need this, bro, I got you. Line up the Porsche. Oh my gosh, look at the frames on this. G80, F-Series, another Porsche. Slicks on these cars is crazy. Hold on. Oh my god, Supra back to back is too tough. This is tough. It's a female driven car right here. Oh, that's crazy.
You played got me. Damn.
Nah, I told you.
Bro. She just sitting there chilling. Oh my god. I see a whole lot of E-cans, bro. Oh, he got a sub. Yeah, he's really aesthetic. He's really aesthetics, bro.
Oh shit.
Alright, Gunna Gang, so we're back. It's probably gonna be the ending of the video. We're gonna do this last race right now. This is G80. Is that a G80 versus G80? Oh no, a G80 versus G82. G82's on the right, G80's on the left. Or I might be crazy, I'm blind. I think it's two G82s. Let me know who y'all got money on right here, man. Who you got your money on? Left or right, Lane?
Right.
It's two G82s, right?
Black one, bro.
Right? Our right or pit right?
You just see the color. Nigga.
Back it up.
Nigga, the black.
Back it up.
Let's see, y'all. Let's see.
The purple one.
Ain't even tryna be my bitch. That's a sacrifice for me. Bitch, get out of here. I don't cry when niggas die. I don't got no tears. For my shoulder, see the hate all